So the question is, can a simple machine act as a force multiplier as well as speed multiplier simultaneously? Why? The answer is no. A simple machine cannot act as a force multiplier and a speed multiplier simultaneously. Let's see how. If we talk about the force multiplier, a machine acts as a force multiplier when the load is greater than the effort. This happens when the distance moved by the effort is greater than the distance moved by the load. We know that the mechanical advantage is the ratio of effort arm to that of the load arm, or the ratio of load to the effort. Now, as the condition of force multiplier says, the distance moved by the effort arm needs to be greater than that of the load. Only then the mechanical advantage will be greater than 1. So this is the condition for force multiplier. However, if we talk about the speed multiplier, a machine acts as a speed multiplier when the distance moved by the load is greater than the distance moved by the effort. This occurs when the effort required is greater than that of the load. That is, mechanical advantage is less than 1. Since the machine cannot simultaneously make the effort smaller, that is force multiplication, and the distance moved by the load greater, like in other words, we can say in a single machine it is not possible to have mechanical advantage greater than 1 and less than 1 simultaneously. That's why the conditions required for being a force multiplier and speed multiplier are exactly opposite. That is the reason as to why a simple machine cannot act as a force multiplier as well as a speed multiplier simultaneously. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.